What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for tuning in. What are we getting into today? Well, today I just want to give y'all like a little update because like I've been posting stuff. If y'all follow me on my Instagram, y'all will see what I've been doing with the G. So I got everything pretty much like ready to go. Right there. I had to go get some dry ice so I can bust this stuff up right here. The sound deadening shit, I gotta bust it out down there. Bust it out, that sounds horrible. But yeah, I gotta put the dry ice on here. Bruh, I'm ashy again, bruh, damn. But yeah, I gotta bust this shit out, bust that out. So I got some dry ice. I just got home from work like 2 hours ago or something like that. So I went to like 3 different Krogers looking for dry ice, and so I just got back from doing that. And I guess before this rain hits, I'm going to do this. Got the dry ice. I'm about to bust that up now and throw that in the car so I can get that sound deadening out. The goods. That is the dry ice. Try to get this shit broken up, thrown in the car, but first let's change out them Crocky Crocs. Let's change our shoes. I don't want to mess up my Crocs.
How you stepping, bitch? How you stepping, bitch? How you stepping, bitch? You ain't stepping.
Alright, so we done changed into the old killer whales. So I guess now we need to get a hammer. Oh, I need to get this hoop out of here. All right. And I'm gonna rip my carpet up. Hopefully that works. I'll let that sit for a minute. Hopefully start busting that shit up. I'm gonna spread this out back here and hopefully it works. Alright, y'all can hear it popping. So it's doing something. But I'm gonna hit my fucking camera. I hit my camera with this hammer. Alright, so as you can see, it's popping up finally. That shit was like super loud in the max when I did the maximum, but it's doing something. So yeah, she busting up. So yeah, before all this ice is gone, I am going to try to go ahead and chisel this shit out, get this all out, get it busted out, and get the pieces down here busted out so I can weld in the hoop for the harness bar and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that before it rains. Alright, as y'all can see, we got pretty much everything out of the way, or off. That is to say, we got the piece busted out down there so we can weld it to the floor. Now we're just waiting on this one piece, this one side. But yeah, everything else is out of the way. If y'all follow my Instagram, y'all will see the progress that I've been putting in on this thing. It's just kind of hard, like trying to make a video every week or every Saturday, and then you know you have work, you got family stuff that you're trying to balance out. But I figured since it's gonna be trying to rain tomorrow, I'd make a video, you know, showing the progress on the G. Oh, I do want to show y'all this. Shout out to my boy Kareem. Hey, Kareem be hooking me up, man. I mention this guy all the time. I freaking love this dude. I freaking love him. But yeah, he hooked me up with the seat. So I just gotta get some brackets, which I'm gonna take the ones out of my Maxima and try to like fab them up to work in here. But that seat's going in the driver, and I don't know, I'll probably put one of the old NRGs in here. But yeah, he hooked me up with that, getting this cleared out of the way. All this will be painted back here, and the cage will be painted, cage, brace bar, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But yeah, all that stuff will be painted. I need to throw the hoop back into the tube bender and bend the sides just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna weld the plates in the floor for it. And I had ended up painting those pieces right there that go, I painted the pieces that go right here on the sides, because once that hoop is in, it's kind of hard to get to this shit. So all this is gonna be the factory stuff covered up, and then it'll be I got some vinyl sheeting I'm gonna put on, focus, on this part, and this will be painted black, and the brace, cage, bar, whatever the hell you want to call it, it'll be painted probably white. All right, as you can see, everything's cleaned out. Got my spots out for that, ready to go in. These are the pieces I was telling y'all about that I had to paint to go in the back. They came out good. So yeah, I got that one painted, and I got the other one painted. Alright, that kind of gave me a little bit of a hard time, but got everything bent right. I'm probably gonna put this stuff up because it is trying its best to rain. So what I'm probably gonna do is go ahead and weld this hoop in and get that all done before it rains, because it's trying its best to rain. All right, y'all, so much later, I got everything welded in, and I forgot to put my pieces back in, these. So hopefully I can notch this and get these slid in. But yeah, I forgot to put that in, but for the most part, everything is in. Now I just gotta make my pieces that go from there back to there, and we lit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap this up here and finish up some small things, and that'll be it for tonight. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, it is the next morning. I just had to cut the video off because, like, I don't know, I've been tired as hell lately. Work, trying to do YouTube and stuff, planning ideas, life in general. Just things have been, you know, difficult. So, you know, these birds, bruh. Bro, why every time, bro? I wish I had something to throw at his ass. But yeah, it's just, man, things been hard, you know, so, and plus, like, my allergies been kicking my ass, so I'm sorry, I apologize if that video was like a little bit of ass, which it was. But being that it is the next morning, I can show y'all how the car looks in the inside. We're almost done with it. But maybe y'all can see. Not really. Let me pull this off on the other side as well. So, yeah, got the hoop in. Got the side pieces in last night. they were a pain in the ass. But everything's welded in. All this shit gotta be trimmed up. And I gotta get the brackets from my old house, get those seats and stuff. And yeah, but as you can see, for the most part, we good. I just gotta make the bars to go from there to back there. Then it'll be time to start sanding this thing down, getting it ready for paint. But yeah, hey puppy. I got shit everywhere I'm gonna have to throw away. But that's pretty much the update on the G. This little guy there. But yeah, like I said, this was just something to show you guys what's going on. If you're wanting to keep up with the G, like I said, I haven't really been posting on YouTube about it. So if you want to keep updated on the G outside of YouTube, make sure you follow my Instagram page at Janky Fabrications. And all the stuff that I don't put on YouTube, I put on there. So to stay followed up on that, make sure you go to Janky Fabrications on my Instagram and keep in touch on that one. Like I said, once again, sorry if that video from yesterday was pretty lame. I was pretty much out of it. Like I said, allergies, being tired. I had worked that day. Well, yesterday I worked and all that shit. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was a shitty video. Yeah, we out to the next one. So, carpet and everything notched out. Even got this piece in here. I gotta put it under the back deck and put my side pieces on, and then everything will be paint ready. Said we didn't touch it.